Join like a pro. 5-plate and biscuit joiners that make edge joins fast, accurate, and strong. Listen up. First, when JN8504 8.5 amp biscuit joiner, approximate $90 to $140. Powerful and affordable, the JN8504 packs an 8.5 amp motor that cuts clean biscuit slots fast. Its adjustable fence handles bevels and edge alignments, so you get repeatable, flush joints on panels and tabletops. Lightweight yet sturdy, this model is ideal for hobby woodworkers and DIYers who need professional results without the pro price. Great for cabinetry, face frames, and quick repair work. Second, AOBEN biscuit joiner with carbide blade, approximate $80 to $130. If you want clean, durable cuts on hardwoods, AOBEN's joiner comes with a tungsten carbide blade that stays sharp longer. Adjustable depth settings let you size biscuits precisely, while the compact body makes tight corners and small projects easy. It's a smart pick for beginners stepping up to tougher woods or pros who value long-lasting blades and dependable alignment on repetitive joinery tasks. Third, DEWALT DW682K plate joiner kit, approximate $200 to $260. DEWALT brings power and precision with the DW682K, featuring a high-speed 10,000 revolutions per minute motor and a rack and pinion fence for micro-accurate angle and depth adjustments. The kit includes storage for blades and accessories, making it shop-friendly. If you do frequent face frame or panel work and need consistently tight joints, this plate joiner delivers pro-level control and long service life. Fourth, DEWALT DCW682B brushless cordless biscuit joiner, approximate $260 to $380, tool only. Cut the cord and gain mobility with DEWALT's brushless